Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix when you are opening the Instagram app on your phone. At that time you are facing this type of error, unexpected error occurred. As you can see in my screen, same error I also facing. Okay, so now let's see how to fix this problem. So when you are facing this type of problem, so first you need to check your internet connection. If the internet connection is not good, you can face 100% this type of errors on your phone. Second main important thing is this guys, you need to check your internal storage. If the phone internal storage is full, at that time also you can face this type of error on your Instagram. So this is the main two reason behind this error. Okay, so after then you are facing this type of problem, now you can try this next method. Now you need to update the Instagram app from the Google Play Store. Open the Play Store and here you need to search Instagram and simply update the app. Okay, after updating, now hopefully this will help you to fix your problem. Still in case you are facing same type of problem, now what you need to do, you need to open your phone settings like this, scroll down and find out apps or application manager. So just open this application manager on your phone and scroll down and find out the Instagram app. Okay, like this, and go to storage, clear the caches and clear the data of this app. After doing this guys, restart your phone one time. After restarting, it will fix your problem 100%. Now I am going to open the Instagram, so this will 100% fix our problem. Okay, so these are the easy and simple solution to fix this problem. Okay, so that's it for today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.